How to generate traffic and make money with Instagram algorithm hacks. In today's digital age, harnessing the power of social media platforms is essential for anyone looking to generate traffic and make money online. Instagram, with its massive user base, provides a lucrative opportunity for affiliate marketers and content creators to reach a wide audience. In this article, we will explore a clever Instagram algorithm hack that can help you drive traffic and boost your earnings. Understanding the Instagram algorithm. Before diving into the hack, it's crucial to understand how the Instagram algorithm works. Instagram uses a complex algorithm to determine which content appears on users' feeds. The algorithm takes into account various factors, including user engagement, post relevance, and the time of posting. The goal is to show users content they are most likely to engage with. The power of video content. Video content has become increasingly popular on Instagram. Users tend to engage more with videos than static images or text-based posts. Therefore, creating engaging and visually appealing videos is a key strategy for success on Instagram. Choosing the right affiliate product. To get started with this Instagram algorithm hack, you'll need to choose the right affiliate product to promote. It's essential to select a product that aligns with your target audience's interests and needs. Here are some key criteria to consider when selecting an affiliate product. Product quality. Ensure the product is of high quality and genuinely beneficial to users. Avoid promoting low quality or ineffective products, as this can lead to refund requests and damage your reputation. Conversion rate. Look for products with a proven track record of converting leads into sales. You can often find this information by sorting products in affiliate marketplaces by popularity, new and unique. While established products can be profitable, consider promoting new and unique products. These can generate interest simply because they are fresh and different. Creating compelling video content. Now that you've chosen the right affiliate product, it's time to create engaging video content to promote it effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting compelling Instagram videos. Step 1. Video creation. Duration. Keep your videos short, around 5 to 6 seconds. Short videos are more likely to capture users' attention. Subheading. Add a subheading to your video. Use a clear and easily readable font, such as Times New Roman, to ensure your message is conveyed effectively. Step 2. Adding emojis. Emojis can make your content more visually appealing and engaging. Consider adding relevant emojis to your video to break up text and make it more appealing. For example, use a heart emoji for topics related to health or well-being. Step 3. Crafting your caption. Your caption is crucial as it provides context and encourages users to take action. Craft a caption that complements your video and includes a call to action CTA. Here's an example. 10 essential medical supplies every household needs. For more tips, check out the book on my profile. More everyday advice like this can help you in important situations. This caption not only introduces the topic but also encourages users to check out the affiliate product on your profile. Step 4. Video editing. Use video editing tools to create visually appealing transitions. In your video, have the subheading appear first, followed by the caption. This delay encourages users to read the caption, increasing their engagement with the content. Step 5. Download and share. Download your video from the editing tool and share it on your Instagram profile. Remember to include your affiliate link in your Instagram profile's link tree. Leveraging the Instagram algorithm. Now that you have your compelling video content ready, it's time to leverage the Instagram algorithm to drive traffic. Here's how the hack works. Post your video. Share your video on your Instagram profile with a captivating caption that encourages users to check out your affiliate product. Engage your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your followers to boost your post's engagement rate. Algorithm magic. Instagram's algorithm will recognize your video's engagement and promote it to a broader audience. Increased visibility. As more users engage with your video, it will be shown to even more people, increasing your chances of driving traffic. CTA. The compelling caption with a CTA encourages users to visit your profile and check out the affiliate product, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Conclusion. In conclusion, this Instagram algorithm hack provides a practical way to generate traffic and make money by promoting affiliate products. By creating visually appealing video content, optimizing captions, and leveraging the power of Instagram's algorithm, you can reach a larger audience and boost your affiliate earnings. Remember that consistency and engagement are key to success on Instagram. So, start creating your captivating videos and watch your affiliate marketing efforts pay off. Happy posting!